Hi, this is Sandeep Kumar Dhondial. I am the Director of Vihawk Tech Solutions. Today, as we look at world over, there's been a lot of growing concern towards sustainability. Together with our partners, with our customers, and the community at large, we have a responsibility to protect and enrich our environment. There are a lot of things that we are doing at Vihawk for environment sustainability. One of the key things that we are doing is we are discouraging a lot of travel in Vihawk Tech Solutions. We are encouraging a lot of public travel than the personal travels. We are also ensuring that we use the same packaging that we have material which comes in. We use the same packaging to send the material out. So we ensure that we don't do a lot of wastage in terms of the products, packaging products. Another thing that we do is we have reduced printing to a larger extent. All our processes, all our quotes that we send to our customers, invoices that we send to our customers are all e-delivered. So we use very less amount of hardware when it comes to printing. When we look at power consumption, we have ensured that within our organization, we have made a certain rule that we use as less power as possible. So we turn off the lights, fans when it is not used. At the same time, we are promoting products that use very less power. When it comes to gender equality, we ensure that we are an equal opportunity employer. We don't demarcate, we don't draw lines between genders. All the HR leads that we sent out are all, none of them carry a gender tag. So that is what we are doing for the gender equality. In our office, we are using a lot of greenery, a lot of green plants within and outside our office. We ensure that we have a green cover around our office. This is one of the things that we are doing to ensure that we have clean and green air around us. We also work with partners like Access, like Dell, like Allied telesis, who are themselves champions in their own domain. All of them have their own different sustainability goals that they have drawn for themselves. For example, Access is one of the leading OEM in the network surveillance area, which has come forward and has very clearly articulated, even in their data sheets, making products which are completely 100% PVC free. So this is one of those commitments that come in from larger partners that we have. So this is what we are doing for sustainability. We welcome our customers, our suppliers, and the community at large to join hands with us in this path towards creating sustainable environment. Thank you. Cheers.